Hello everyone, I'm Lynn from RIFU. Today, I'd like to introduce this hair conditioner filling and tail sealing machine, offering a stable, clean and efficient, integrated filling and sealing solution for cosmetic manufacturers. The system automatically places tubes onto the rotary mold base. Once the electric eye detects the tube on the mold, the machine automatically clamps and aligns it. The filling head then dispenses the product accurately according to the preset volume. After filling, heating melts the inner layer of the tube, while the outer layer contacts stainless steel and is cooled by circulating water to achieve thermal sealing. Finally, it automatically clamps and trims the tail and ejects the finished product. This completes the entire automated process.